Hello everyone, it's great to connect with you again. It's been a while, but I've been busy working on my new blog. I'll leave a link below this video. You can check out my blog. It's a personal finance blog. You can check it out and see the posts. I already have a few posts there. So what I'm doing is writing about personal finance, savings, debt, management. I'm also writing about making money online. The tutorials that I'm doing here, like I've already done the Jumia affiliate, how to become a Jumia affiliate in written format. So if you would want to check out the written format of the videos, the tutorial videos that I've done, you can head to the blog. So I'll be loading more. I've already started. I'll be loading more as time goes. So yeah, check it out and remember to share with your friends, with your fans. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for this kind of informative videos. The reason why I do this kind of videos is because I want people to learn how to make money online, to be self-employed, not rely on employment. You can make you can make an extra income whether you're employed or not. Instead of just waiting for employment and it's not coming through, you can actually make a lot of money working online from anywhere. So today I want us to look at how to become an Amazon affiliate. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce market in the world. It stores millions and millions of products and they ship across the world. So you can be able to market to anyone across the world and they'll ship for you. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about storage. They'll do everything for you. What you just need to do is send customers their way. They ship the product, and actually when one makes a purchase, you get to earn. You can earn about 10% of beauty products, 8% of furniture, 5% of digital music and videos, 8% of Kindle, and a lot. You can actually earn up to 10% commission of whatever that you sell. So how do you become an Amazon associate? You will need to have a website for you to be able to sign up. They will also let you they need you to make at least 3 sales in the next 180 days once you sign up, and then you're approved fully in the system. And it's not hard, it's just a matter of marketing, reaching out to people, and you can even start with your family and friends. You can make orders if you're not able to get clients immediately. So yeah, let's get started with the process. So you go to Google and search Amazon affiliate. Then you will click sign up or something, whatever you get from Google. Then this page will open. Come here and click join now for free. It's free to join Amazon. Then create a new Amazon account. So you're going to create, I'll use one of my emails. After you register, Amazon will send you an email like this to verify your account. So copy that number and head back to verify. You enter the code that they sent you and verify your account. Yeah, so this is the form to register. Let me just zoom it a bit. So you need the first one is the account information, website. So you need a website or a mobile app. So we'll start here. This is where you put your name, you put your postal address, you put your city. Let's just go through this together. Kenya. So fill in all the right information. When you get to the phone number, select your country code. Select your country code and then the phone number. And then once you're done, you confirm that you're the pay listed above, and then click next. Now this is the next page that will open, where you're supposed to input your website or the mobile app list. So come here and enter your website. You need to have a website. It can be basically a website to market for e-commerce, or it can be a blog that you can input the plugins to be able to help you make sales. So if you have the budget, you can I'd recommend that you can register with Bluehost. It's a good hosting. I've used it, and I will leave a link below this video so that if you're interested, you can go ahead and use Bluehost. They will offer a free domain for you for the first 1 year. Then they also offer free SSL certificate, and then an easy to install WordPress, and the customer service is just great. But if you're not in budget, if you don't to start it free, at least before you get approved, then you can go ahead and create a free website with Wix in Wix.com. So I've given you two options. You can either use Bluehost and use your website to do even other things like blogging and anything else that you'd want to do, or come here to Wix.com and create a free blog or a free website. So you will register, you will fill in the details there, and then click add, and then you go to next. So I don't want to populate this because I'm not yet ready to put in my blog there. Okay, so the next one that will open after this is the profile. You're just supposed to create your profile and then select the categories that you'd want to be marketing. You can select as many as possible. They don't have restrictions. And then it's an easy form to just fill. Just fill the questions that they ask you. What your website is about. What the categories that you'd want to be marketing, and then that's it. Now the last part is identity verification. You need to have a USA contact. So if you're not in USA, you will need to have a number that they will call, or I think normally they call. Like I've registered twice before, and they called, and once you answer the call, they read for you the code. So you write down the code somewhere, and then you input that code to verify your account fully, and then now start using Associate Central. So I will show you how you can be able to get a USA number even if you're not in the USA. So you go to Play Store and download this app. Download this app called My Text Plus. So download, it's free to use, and then once you download, you will be required to create your profile. You'll be required to create your profile. So just your name and your password, and then you'll be asked. This is a free app to use, so you'll be required to register. Just put in your name, your username, and the password that you want to be using, and then you will be asked to select the city or the area that you'd want your phone code to be. So for example, if you select the California area, or Alabama or whatever that you'd want your code to be from, automatically you get a phone number like this one, the one you can see displayed here. So just in case you find that the network is busy, just keep trying. You will get a phone number. That phone number is the one that you will copy or write it down and then head back to Amazon, put it there, and then click on verify, or maybe call or something, whatever that is there. You will get a call. Just listen to that call. They will read for you the code. The code, it's a number. They will read for you a number that then you will be required to input in the Amazon associate form. Then once you click verify, that's it. You're allowed to be an Amazon affiliate. So let me briefly take you through how to start promoting Amazon products. So this page will open once now you fully register. Come to the home area, and you'll see this menu. So click here, come to product linking, and click product links. If you want banners, you can click on banners, and then if you're looking for a specific product, like in my case, I can, for example, if I want to do a review about the phone that I'm using, I have F9 Oppo, so I can come here and write F9 Oppo. Let's see if it's in stock. So it seems most of the products relating to Oppo are the cases. So yeah, if I want to do a review of Oppo or their cases, I can create a video. You can create a video about any product that you have. There are a lot of products that we have even around, even our homes, the electronics, makeup. There's so much that you can do with Amazon. Just do a review. You can do a review via the blog. You can do a review through YouTube, and then put in the link, your link there for the product. And then, so assuming now I want to do a glass protector screen, which goes for $9.99, I will come here and click on get link. So yeah, if you want to use a banner, you can use that. If you want to use just text only, in this case I want to put in a text in the review that I did on through my blog. So I will come and click and select short link. Then this is what I will copy and head to my blog or to the YouTube review video, and under the description part I post this link. So anywhere across the globe, anyone can be able to make an order, and I will get a certain percentage of that sale. So it's a great way to earn online. Anyone can do it. You can do it from anywhere in the world. That's what I wanted to share with you guys today. If you like this video, share, subscribe for more informative videos. And don't forget to check out my blog, guys. There's a lot of information there that is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep it here for more videos. Thank you.